right, let's open up this cordless vacuum here. Yeah, got a battery. A little charger for said battery. So it just plugs right into the top. Super easy. Whoa, we got all sorts of accessories for this thing. Hold on, we'll get to those. All right. Let's take a look at this thing. You could never have enough vacuums in the dang shop. I'll tell you what. So what do we got here? Oh, this is like if you want to use it more like a regular vacuum. All right. There we go. Yeah, little scrubby sweeper vacuumy head. Well, that guy, oh, look at this. It's got like a little rubber thing so you can kind of scrape it, whatever you're trying to suck up. And one of them thinner ones for getting into the tighter spaces. Oh, we've got a little holder thing too. Yeah, here's how that works right there. Let's just try it out. You think this battery has a charge right out of the box? 4 bars, perfect. All right, nice little grippy handle. You can see inside when it's full. I like that. Let's just try it standard with nothing on it. Well, that's got plenty of sucking power. Push that thing, open this thing up. There you take out your filter, empty it out. This is pretty easy. It's like kind of a HEPA style filter. Filters out the bad meanies. That's really easy to clean out, really easy to put together, really easy to take apart. Huh, that's pretty nice. All right, this is also a wet vac, so let's get some wet down here. So I think technically what this one with the rubbery ends for is for doing water cleanup like this. That sucked up all the water and almost dried it off. It's actually not too wet. So wow, this is a nice little shop vac that's a handheld, little wet dry vac. I'm really actually impressed by this thing.